Hey guys, this is Yousef with that'sitguys.com, and today I'm going to go over a new microphone I got last week for doing voiceovers and video reviews. This is the Samson CO1U microphone. It's a cardioid USB powered microphone, and Samson said is positioned between the USB audio adapter microphones and professional microphones. This would lie right around the middle. The CO1U microphone has no special drivers or software to operate it. Just plug it into your Mac or PC via USB cable and use it to your preferred audio program. The microphone has a removable USB-C port on the bottom, the same cable used by most printers, which makes it easy to replace. The Samson mic has a few packages that you can purchase. The stock microphone comes with a small desk tripod. I purchased the Samson CP01 shock mount spider mount and the desktop mic stand, which I have linked below as well. The shock mount suspends the microphone so it isn't affected by movement. As far as the audio quality and ease of use goes, after using this mic for a week, I love it. The voice quality is perfect for commentary on my personal YouTube channel and as an external mic for video reviews such as the one you're viewing right now. You are now listening to me through the Samson microphone itself. I'm about a foot away from the microphone, and I'm going to show you 3 different scenarios you're going to use the microphone for. The first scenario being for a personal recording. So I'm going to go exactly 6 inches away from the microphone. As you can see, it is a bit loud. When the main purpose of my work is for recording my voice, such as commentating or giving a speech, I want to be about 6 inches from the video, and I probably want to lower down the volume because as you can tell, it is not picking up any background sound. I currently have my computer fan on, and it's doing a great job capturing only my voice, and all I have to do is lower the volume for this one. This next scenario, I'm about a foot away, as you heard before. This is a good scenario when you're doing a group conversation or you're on Skype with your friends. You want the mic out of your way because you want to put your keyboard here. However, you don't want to be right in front of the microphone. So I'm about a foot away from it. As you can tell, it does a good job picking up my voice. It's very clear. However, there's a bit of background noise you can hear, and this audio you're hearing right now is what your Skype friends will hear as well. This last scenario is pretending I'm reviewing a big product. For example, if I want to present a laptop as a video review, I'm going to hold it up, and I'm going to be far away from the microphone itself. I'm about 2-3 feet away from the microphone, and as you can tell, it's picking up a lot of noise. You can hear my chair in the background, and this is the distance I want to be for presenting something a bit big. I'm not going to be in front of it, and this is probably not the best use for it. You're going to have to do some filtering, remove some background noise, but this is the sound that you hear when you do a far away video review. Maybe you want to bring the microphone a little bit closer. So I hope you enjoyed this review of the Samson CO1U microphone. There is a link in the description below of the cheapest price that we found available. And thank you guys for watching. Have a good night.